And things like this may keep happening as our winters keep warming up. I was seeing like Winterfest delayed by several weeks because it's too warm or not snowy enough. And with climate changing, driving a lot of that, look how warm our Januaries are getting. We're nearly 8 degrees warmer than back into the 1970s. And that's just going to keep accelerating as climate change continues. So you might be thinking, well, I like it warmer. I don't necessarily like the cold, but it's these little headaches that definitely could have a big impact. It's not just we avoid some of the cold weather more often than not. It means more bugs and pests lasting through the winter, which has all sorts of problems on crops and things in the spring. More freezing rain events potentially instead of snowfall. Could even see more extreme winter events. That winter weather not quite going away, even though our climate is warming rapidly. And then, think about the loss of revenue, seeing delayed starts to winter events or the loss of winter events because there's not enough snow or cold air around. So that warming climate can definitely have a big impact, especially on things like we just saw with the delay of Winterfest and those ice castles in Lake Geneva. Now we still have some Arctic air to deal with on occasion despite a warmer climate. Arctic air coming in tonight leading to some dangerous cold, but keep this in mind. We're talking March weather into next week. We're seeing a lot of that over the course of this winter so far. So yes, we can get our harsh cold, but more often than not, we see much warmer conditions. Right now, it's the cold for about 24 hours, mid-20s now, but look what's heading our way, right down to 0 in southern Minnesota, and that's going to sweep in by tonight. So we're down to -6 for the air temperature, but it feels like -25 because of those breezy winds gusting at times at 25 miles per hour. So be ready for some harsh conditions ahead, especially if we're going to go out and view that green comet. That's still in the sky right near the North Star. Maybe in a binocular or a telescope to help see that. But you could be able to see it with the naked eye if the sky is clear enough. We'll have mainly clear skies tonight. Definitely late tomorrow night. That's when the sky clears out again. Look for a faint green smudge right near that North Star. So if you're going to go out tonight or out to the bus stop tomorrow morning with the kids, bundle up. -25 with the wind chill all the way through 10 o'clock in the morning. So that's why wind chill advisories go into effect tonight because of that very harsh cold for much of the morning. And not much better in the afternoon, but at least we're on the positive end of the scale with the temperature and wind chills slightly below 0. But this is just a one-day event. We rebound quickly going into this weekend, up above freezing for Saturday and Sunday. You can see it does get cloudier, but the weather does stay dry. So we get to thaw a little this weekend. And the next week, there's that March weather. 40s for a while. Could see a slight chance for rain Monday night. We'll keep an eye on Thursday. Rain showers, but could be mixed with freezing rain at times. So that's something definitely to monitor in case of icing next week. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, the weather keeps rolling with that thawing kind of weather staying at or above freezing for much of the next 10 days. So yes, we get the Arctic cold, but look at the rebound that's going to stick around for a while after that.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Alex.